Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on how to draw cartoons. Alright, today's lesson I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little alligator. That's right, this alligator is actually used in one of my educational books, ABC with Noah, the whole alphabet. So, why don't we start with letter A for alligator. Alright, so if you have your pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. What I want you to take home with this lesson is, yes, you can get paid for doing your cartoons. Don't let anyone know, but yeah, you make money doing this fun stuff, just like me. I enjoy it. Anyways, so if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I want to say thank you. And if you haven't, just slide your little cursor and just go click. And bingo, you're subscribed to me, and I really appreciate that. As always, thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.